it. Aura frame connected but not working. Here's how to fix it, Aura frame. Alright, so if your Aura frame says it's connected but still isn't working properly, I get why that's confusing. Everything looks fine on the surface, but then you notice it's not showing new photos, maybe it freezes or it just doesn't update at all. That's the kind of issue that makes you think something is broken, but most of the time it's not. What's usually happening here is the connection is technically active, but the frame isn't syncing or processing data the way it should. So it looks connected, but it's not actually doing its job. This can happen for a few simple reasons. Sometimes it's just an app glitch. Other times it's a delay in syncing, outdated software, or a small system error that interrupts how the frame communicates with the app. So before you assume the device is faulty, let's go through a few quick steps that usually fix this. First, restart the frame. Unplug it from power, wait a few seconds, then plug it back in. This helps reset the system and clears small glitches. Next, open the Aura app and make sure the correct frame is selected. If you have more than one frame connected, it's easy to be looking at the wrong one without realizing it. After that, refresh the app. You can either pull to refresh or fully close the app and open it again. This forces it to reconnect and sync the latest data. Now check your Wi-Fi connection. Even if it says connected, the network might not be stable. Make sure the frame is on a strong working network with a solid signal. Also, take a moment to check for updates. Make sure both the Aura app and the frame software are updated to the latest version. Outdated software is a common reason for syncing issues. Finally, try uploading a new photo from the app and see if it shows up on the frame. That's a quick way to confirm everything is working again. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue. It's usually just a syncing problem, not a hardware failure.